god, we are in double digits, guys. 14 more days left. We're in double digits. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cassie if you're new here, and it's vlogmas day 10. There's actually quite a bit of a snowstorm. Oh, hi. Can you go on the carpet, please? You're still wet. Go. I'm actually not going to school today because the roads are just very dangerous. I do have work later though. But we're gonna try to be productive. Put away laundry, maybe wash my bed sheet, do some assignments, and chill and be cozy until I have to leave for work, and then chill and be cozy when I get home from work. Hello. I'm just gonna make some creamy oats, and I'm gonna make my mom breakfast, but I'm not gonna film it because I need my phone for the recipe, because I don't remember the recipe off the top of my head for the oats. So bear with me, guys. I will update you guys when I'm done. I'm also gonna make myself a nice little latte. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I slept until 11, and then I made lunch and cleaned up the kitchen, and now I'm gonna shower. I made a chai because my coffee was disgusting. But I'm gonna shower now. Got some other stuff to do. I have assignment, a video to edit, an assignment, all that stuff. So I will shower. When I'm done showering, I'll update you guys. One's like this, the other's like this. Okay, it's time to go to work. The snow is like, there's a lot of it. There's a lot of it, that's all we get. This bread looks really good, and then this one's like, this one looks really good though. Other than that, just want to put that out there. Yeah, there's a lot of snow. I'm on a mission to grab an energy drink before my shift starts. Really sad they didn't have the winter one. I got blue slush.
Mommy, very good.
Hey, you wait.
Okay. Me wrapping it's gonna be in a different video. All my brothers, part of my brothers. Got malls. It was on sale. Let's go show my mama. Okay. We're gonna do this rice mask. I feel like if I put on a face mask in my teeth thing, I'm gonna be really productive, and I'm really counting on that. I'm praying Fine Shite does not snap me in this time period. I'll finish my coffee real quick. Brush your teeth though. This has turned into a productive self-care night. So self-care and productivity. I have yesterday's video to edit that still needs to go up today, which I have not done yet. I have clothes to put away, I have my bed to make, and I have 2 assignments. Did this. Okay guys, I edited, I put all my clothes away. I'm uploading all these clips from this video to the computer. I promise tomorrow's video will actually be good. Like, I'm actually gonna put in effort into filming. I'm not gonna fall asleep for 4 hours and then have work for 4 hours. I promise you guys. I swear. Yeah, I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with vlogmas day 11. Like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.